Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So today I'm trying out a face mask. That's why I'm completely barefaced and no eyebrows on, nothing. So I wanted to try the e.l.f. magnetic mask because I've been wanting to try it for a while, but I just didn't feel like waiting for shipping. And they had it in Target because they have e.l.f. in Target. And I saw it, so I picked it up. It was like $25. And I want to see how it works. So where is my mask? Anaya! Where's my... Thank you. So this is what the box looks like. This is what my daughter looks like. You can see her. So she is going to help me try this mask today. So my face is completely clean and I'm gonna let her magnet the face off of me. Let's open her up. Okay, so inside you have, I guess, the little protector covers. There is the magnet, which already got magnetized by something. So you have the magnet, and then we have the magnetic mask, which doesn't seem that big.
Mom, you don't drop it.
What am I supposed to do with it? Hold it?
So here is the mask.
There is the mask.
You open it.
Okay, let me see. So it's not that big. No. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. Some on there. Yeah, you hold that while I do it so there's a try to magnetize. Ah! Okay, so my face is clean. I'm gonna put some on my face. Don't let it get on there. And you're supposed to, can you give me the box again? Or does it say it on here?
No, I want to get the box.
No, it just says to remove mask, cover magnetic tool just above the surface of your face and slowly glide. Discard magnet cover after use. For best results, do not rinse skin with water. Why not? Okay, give me the box here so I can see how long I'm supposed to put it on. Walk behind. So, wash my face, done. Dry face, done. Avoiding eye area, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll leave on for 10 because it's been a while since I've done a mask.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna start off with what's on here. I feel like this is not enough for my whole face.
Oh my god, how many more?
I know. So.
Oh, yeah.
How is this? Okay.
That's unnecessary. You're supposed to get it out there.
No, I just wanted to get what was on the top first.
No. That's a moment.
Oh no.
While she's doing that, I'll tell you a joke. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because she wants the chicken wants to cross the road for no reason. Does she do what she wants? Why is the tiger shark called a tiger shark? Because it has tiger shark. And I'll tell you a fun fact while she's doing that also. A fun fact about stars. I love stars. So this is my own. You know stars explode and after they explode they turn into black holes? Blows your mind. And I have a lot on me because I've been used for this on your day that I'm staying home. Because I'm not staying home. So you say, okay, getting her cool. And here's a fact about moms. Do you know the mom has other eye on their back, on their head? My mom told me that. That's why I always know when you're doing something you're not supposed to do. What am I doing with my hand? Go like this. See? It's shame. It's not still a classic color? It is still a classic color. And what makes it a classic color? Because it was made in 1999. It's gonna make up that sound. It was just made in the Mom, what fact do you want to learn about? Which one's this one? Put that in the comments, you already know. What about like a science fact? Oh my gosh, I just feel like this took forever. Mom, what about a science fact?
I'm holding it. I actually like this mask because when you pull it and you take it off, it doesn't feel in pain. You get to peel it. And this one's easier. You just get a magnet close to your pimple. It's like a vacuum.
It smells good. It smells like oranges.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Breed.
Oh, nice and quick. Nice. If you can smell this, it smells like oranges.
I feel like for such a small amount of time, this is going to go away fast. But anyway, like, you're not supposed to do it that often. Doesn't give too much information on the box. Oh yeah, no, I just sat down. You went online, what are you doing? Even water. You'll buy everything. I will buy you all the Legos you wanted. And allowance. Oh yeah, all the big, super expensive LOL doll bags. Why are they so expensive and they're this small? And the little sisters are a little expensive because they're this small. But yet, they get me to buy it for you, so somebody's doing the mustache. Do the mustache. I can understand. Hold on. You can do your nose. It's raining! Is it raining? Yes, it is. Do you hear that? I think the wind's just like really blowing hard. Okay, so ginger.
So I use it quite a bit on her face and my face, but you're supposed to let it stay on for 5 to 10 minutes. So we will be back in, we'll say 8 minutes? Or you want to do 10? Or do you want to do 5?
5.
We'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been more like 10 minutes because I went downstairs to do some stuff.
I see right now the magnet. That's what it looks like. I see. Oh my god. Does it feel like? It feels weird. I don't know how this is supposed to like take all of it off. How? Like how close am I supposed to go to your face? All the way close? But is this one plastic thing? Because it's gonna build up on the magnet, right? Wait, look at the side of your cheek. Where's it? Look at the side. That is quite a bit. Let me take this off. No, because I don't think that's gonna like do much. Like it's gonna build up and not let the magnet be strong. Okay, now you can. Oh my god. Tell me when I'm close. You like doing like weird little patches. You mustache girl. It doesn't work on mustache. Here, I said the mustache. It's just rubbing on me. I think it works better when you get like close to your face. Closer. Okay, do it kind of close to your face. Like really close. I don't think there's magnet. Ah, it feels weird. It's not getting on me. It feels weird. Okay, finish. Let me wipe this off. You're being difficult. Okay. Now I can do it. You're close. I was almost touching your face. Okay, let me do the mustache because you were just not. Hold on. I said you do this. Okay, here. I need a mirror. Let's see what I need a mirror for you. Here, I'll hold it. It's like a vacuum cleaner. This is weird. Hurry up, so I'm taking off my face. It's starting to tingle. Vacuum over. It's like I'm cheating. I know, right? Stop. Vacuum. No, cheating. Cheating over. You're such a hairy little girl. Why are you so... Stop. Why are you so hairy? Oh no, your eye! Here. Like this. Oh, like this. Hello. Wait, how am I supposed to get all these sensitive areas? You look like a football player. Here. Do it with a napkin. Not on your arm. I mean, do it with a towel. You don't have to. It looks green. That's on my lips. I just wipe it off. I think you just wipe off the extra. No. Maybe it's underneath your eye. I'm not wiping it off. I'm plagiarizing it off. You're what? Plagiarizing. You know what that even means? Yes, you're copying someone. But what does that have to do with weird? So, can you get this part right here? Because it's like bothering the heck out. Look what you did! Oh my gosh!
hot up in here.
It's so hot. Shave it off. No.
I know it
I
feels.
want to do it too.
You know what it feels like?
But I want to do it too.
Okay.
Ma.
Hold on. It's kind of tickly and it feels like,
What am I doing?
it does feel like it's pulling, but I honestly don't know.
I'm going to do the other half.
Yeah, you can do the other half of my face. I don't like pulling what though? What are you pulling?
A magnet. What do you want?
Like this could be doing absolutely nothing.
I can see it looks weird and disgusting. Wait, Mom, hang on.
Oh my god, that's so much. This can be doing absolutely nothing, but it's just a fun process to take.
Real clean job we're doing here. Hit your mom in the face. You're tired. You can't have me at the salon anymore.
So it's off my face. My face feels smooth. It feels moisturized. Your face feels smooth and moisturized. It was tingly though, like when it was on, that made me kind of nervous. I don't have sensitive skin, but I was still kind of like, I hope I don't have a reaction. Was it tingly for you?
It was tingly, and actually you look beautiful.
Thank you. So, what is the benefits of this?
The benefits of this is nothing.
It's supposed to lift away surface impurities. So, I guess that's what it did. I honestly couldn't say. I think it's just...
Mom, I fixed it.
Thanks, babe. I think it's just fun to use. For $25 though, I hope it does do something.
And this is what it looks like.
Okay. So it has antioxidants, carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors.
What? Carrot seed? That's weird.
So it's
I
supposed
thought
to
carrots don't have
lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. If it does that, for $25, I get better. For $25, my pores better be shrinking because I do have pretty large pores and very oily skin. So if it's gonna do that, I hope so. How often are we supposed to use that?
How come our jelly thing doesn't look like this?
I know, ours wasn't this full. Let's see. So it doesn't say, oh, here we go. You're supposed to use it once a week, 1 to 2 times a week. I'm gonna use it once a week. and see what happens. I will keep you updated to see if it actually really does what it says it's supposed to do. I'm gonna use it, I'd say once a week for maybe a month and see what it actually does. I honestly think this is like a gimmicky kind of thing because it's just, it was fun. It was really fun to do, but I don't know. I mean, my skin feels smooth. It's still kind of tingly though. It's kind of weird.
That's not how you feel stuff. This is how I feel stuff.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed watching our crazy video of us trying out this mask. As always, if you like what you see, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you and me and her can become best friends. And until next time, stay beautiful.